Looking to buy a used phone online without getting scammed? Let's compare two popular names, Swappa and BackMarket. Which one should you trust with your money? Let's find out. Swappa is like a safe version of Craigslist for tech. It's person to person selling found in 2010. Every listing gets checked by a real human before going live. They verify the phone's serial number to make sure it's not stolen or blacklisted. No broken phones allowed, no cracked screens or water damage. You pay through PayPal only, which gives you buyer protection. Prices are often much lower because you're buying directly from another person. But here's the catch. Quality varies by seller. Backmarket works completely differently from Swappa. Started in 2014 in France, it's now huge worldwide. Instead of buying from regular people, you're buying from professional companies that fix phones for a living. Every phone comes with a full 1 year of warranty covering hardware defects. That's better than Swappa. You get also 30 days to return it for any reason if you're not happy. Backmarket carefully vets these companies before letting them sell. The phones cost a bit more than Swappa, but you get that warranty safety net. For the price, Swappa wins hands down. You'll save more money buying from another person. Safety, Backmarket wins with that one. If something breaks, you're fully covered. Swappa uses PayPal protection only. Quality, BackMarket is more consistent since professional technicians fix the phones. With Swappa, you're taking a chance on individual sellers' speed. Speed? Both platforms ship fast, usually within a few days. So, which is legit? Both platforms are. Swappa has a 4.6-star rating and strict rules against junk. BackMarket has a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot. Choose Swappa if you want the lowest price and don't mind doing research. Choose BackMarket if you want peace of mind with that warranty either way. Also, don't forget to read reviews and check seller ratings carefully. Your wallet will thank you. Drop a comment, Team Swappa or Team BackMarket. Hit subscribe for more buying guides, and I'll see you in the next one.